Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So yesterday we did get the measured move, but I'll give that to you later in the video when we get down to the hour. And at the moment, yesterday I said on Telegram, just please be careful, there is diversions. So watch this stochastic here. You can see there's a high and a low. But watch what price is doing. Price is making new highs while we're making new lows. And we've got a crossover and pointing down. So I'm not really excited about looking for longs at the moment, and we're sort of testing the trend line, but it's actually more than a trend line. It is a bit of a channel, bit of a flag, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, that's kind of the structure that's forming at the moment. And if you look at the measured move for yesterday, so there was sorry, I'm on the 2 hour there, wondering why it was looking a little bit confusing, but anyway, so there was a channel, we had the channel break and pretty much target done, measured move done, and then immediately sold off on that. Nothing really extra to give you here except this level here, 34,478 or 34,480. Lots of support here. We've tested it once. I'd be curious to see what transpires next. And I'm not overly confident at the moment. So here you can see a pretty well-defined channel that we had. There was a break, and we actually had the break during the video that we did yesterday, and the confirmation here. So you can break, retest, 2 red bar retest, and then kind of accelerate it to the upside. So anyway, that move done. What we have at the moment is we do have a gap up this morning. Well, there was the close, and now we've got a gap up. But I'm more interested in what's transpired on the daily here. So let's just get rid of all the noise here. Okay, so look at this massive pin bar, first day of the month, massive pin bar. Got one crossover in oscillators, the other one is not quite crossed over yet. So, in my opinion at the moment is we are battling to get to the upside. And I know there's a lot of people calling this to be a potential double top, which is possible. But obviously we need to see breaks below these tails before that's confirmed. So at the moment, this for me is really just in a holding pattern. So non-farm payrolls this week, remember that on Friday, and you've got the jobs number tomorrow. So I have a feeling you're probably going to see us just sort of start whimpering into a little bit of consolidation until those numbers come out. But yeah, there's nothing really else to add here. It's 300-point move up, 300-point move down. That's is a sign of complete confusion as far as I'm concerned. So for me, I'm patiently going to wait on the side here. I'm not entirely confident that we can actually get opportunities to buy at this level. I think we're going to be buying lower down. So one or two things is going to happen. So if you just come to your 3 hour, we're either going to form a base somewhere around here at 34,470 area. Okay, and why I say a base, you probably find that we form a base there and then bounce the upside, and we just range here for the rest of the month. Okay, so there's no real catalyst that can drive us at the moment. Stimulus is in the market, and it's sort of stagnating right now because it's all artificially inflated stimulus. So instead of the market running its course like it's supposed to do, like it's designed to do, the Feds and reserve banks around the globe are actually propping the market up. So this is starting to show signs of weakness at the moment. So yeah, I think it'd be wise just to hang on a bit. For long-term portfolios, I wouldn't be buying or adding to any EFTs or any sort of instruments for long-term savings just yet, because I have a sneaky suspicion we are either going to form a solid range, and the other thing that the range could be even bigger. It could be down here. So there's the range at the moment. So inside this structure, we could form a fairly strong range, and that's pretty much a high probability at the moment based on the price action on the monthly. So that's kind of the view. So you're probably going to be able to buy and your investments a bit lower down, and you're probably going to go into a trading frenzy on your investments as well. So buying low and then selling high, waiting for it to come down, buy again, sell again. Anyway, that's kind of the structure that we see. Just bear in mind this this channel we have here. So if that does break, you've got some targets down here. So the first target is going to be 34,276, and then your second target is going to be in this area here. Let's put a level here. So somewhere I would assume around here at 34,173. So call 34,200 as your downside target if this range breaks. Okay, enough rambling for me at the moment. I'm sit on hands. I honestly don't see anything here. There's not even on the lower time frames that something that excites me. So yeah, I suppose the opportunity was to buy yesterday during the video in actual fact, and then just to sell out at the measured move. But anyway, that's that. Hope it helps you somewhat, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.